Yeah. I'm about respecting the check. Cash up front, what I expect. Sometimes I just recollect. Remember when shit got so ugly like Shrek. I got no heart in my chest. Niggas just shot at the set. Young boy, but I still the vet. Bae, I'm a wolf, oh no, I am no pet. You act the boost since you talk out the neck. Trey files the peas, we got all that on deck. Bro got the lean and he charge for the tech. Trappers no activists, harder to...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Ty. Cruising around the car today, doing some last minute things because I gotta head back to California tomorrow. Alright guys, so right now I just got done with the DMV. Everything worked out perfect, finally. Thank God. But she told me she could just I can leave the car here at my parents' and she can have them come in with my car rather than me having to be here because I'll be in Japan. So a little bit about the car. It's a 2010 Camaro SS. When I bought the car, it had the Borla attacks in the back, Hodgkin's sport suspension, and a cold air intake. And I changed the cam to the stage 3 Texas speed, and I got the 2-inch long tube headers, also from Texas Speed. But after that, I took it to the dyno, and it put it down about 470 to the wheels, which ain't bad. I mean, knowing it was at 380 going to 470, it's pretty good in my book. But there's no other mods done to it. When I get back from Japan, I plan on doing a lot more, but this is just for now. But a little story of the cam. It took about a month to install it. It was a real pain in the ass, but a couple of my buddies helped me, and I got it done. It was just the lack of tools, honestly. It's an easy process installing the cam. Like I said, it's just the lack of tools and my work environment. It was in a parking lot. But yeah, that was it for the cam. Pretty simple. That's a little story. I'll get down into later videos of the cam install. But for the rest of this video, it's going to be me getting the GoPro. I don't know what's going on with my phone. It didn't record a lot of the other videos. So that's how you spend a quick $400. That's pretty expensive. Hey guys, so we got the GoPro Hero 7. Yeah, it wasn't cheap at all. It was pretty expensive. And with all the accessories and everything else I got with it, probably around about $560. Yeah, that's probably around about what it cost. $560 for a little camera. So I got it at Best Buy because Walmart didn't have it. I tell you, open this bad puppy. It's about, what, 50 horsepower right here? Yeah, give or take. A little book that no one reads. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna break this thing already. Sweet. So I can mount this on the car while I walk, so it'll probably be somewhere around right there. Yeah. Right there's where I'm gonna put it. But first we're gonna figure out how to take this. It's stuck. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this right down there so I can record. But once I get it charged, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and charge it inside the house. But before we head back to California, but the next video. But when I come back, it's gonna be with the GoPro. and we'll see how it is. But right now this is on the phone. Next video will be on the GoPro, so let's see how it is. Alright guys, so like I said, here's the GoPro. I got it mounted. I'm using a cheap little thing that comes with the box. I just got it mounted on my dashboard. But let me do a quick pull for you guys. So, that's what it sounds like. Alright guys, so this will be it for the rest of the video. It's my first vlog, the very first one I've done. And I still got a long way to go, you know, this is just throwing this out there to get a feel for how to mess with everything. And I know it's a little cheesy, and I need to work on a lot of things, but I appreciate the feedback. If you guys got any, just go ahead and comment down below. What you think I could change? What should I change here and there? But, I mean, yeah, this is it for the car. It's going to be a while till I get it back, in 6 months, but the rest of the vlogs will be in Japan, and I'll try to get the car scene out there as well. I got to head out early to the airport because I'm headed back to California, but this is my quick video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.